ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Jaiaw Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, Madagasni, Karapusantri Unaitung, Arajar Postau, Pynhap Pyrda, Jingrakhe, Madapshis Snem the centenary celebration. Hagengaski lawan Pynhap Kalamara K centenary, Johan School Duba Met Balingdo, Emily Mairang, Hagajidan Lang Uba Adelbert Norum Emily Katan. Hagengaski Lapin Kuburami headmaster, headmistress Berim Jaga School, Bakum Juru Lasamiki Award, Shikna, Balong Topper, Big distinction, Jung Snem Arajar Postau.
The quality of education can be ensured being delivered to the dear students of our society. I have mentioned this today with the Education Minister and also with the Honorable Chief Minister, as I have said last year. Government has started taking the initiative. I have also addressed, I don't know for what reasons, best known to those who are the helm of affairs in those years before I came into the picture to be the elected member or the present governments or the last government. Not blaming them. Why education is still in a situation where it is so difficult, to streamline the different aspects of education. For example, I would like to mention here that if I don't remember correctly, but it's around 20 or 30 types of different types of schools in a state. What are those schools? There are schools we call SSA school. There are schools we call ad hoc schools. We call deficit schools. Different kind of patterns of schools. There are granting aid schools. There are improvement granting aid schools. There are semi-government schools. There are government-aided schools. There are government schools and so on. I told the Chief Minister, the Education Minister last time, I said, you have to do something. At least filter all these different types of schools and at least see that only 2 or 3 at the most if possible to categorize the number of schools, the quality of schools in our states. Then we can move forward in a bigger way.
Respect and love to our respected chief guest, I would like to hand over this first copy to him.
Ada bang